Hello everyone, this is Thomas, the creator of Independent Academy. Today I'm going to show you very quickly how you can redeem your Bpro on the Money on Chain dApp. Okay, this is very simple. If you've seen the tutorials on how to mint and redeem DOC, then you probably already know how to do this. But just in case, let me show you step by step how you can do this very easily. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into the side menu where we see all the tokens, DOC, Bpro, and MOC, and we're gonna choose, of course, Bpro. Alright, so we click there and we go into the Bpro menu. Now, when you first come into the menu, you're gonna see that here you can find the Bpro amount that you have right now. So we have 0.005, roughly almost $200. So from the get-go, we have the option to exchange BTC and receive Bpro. Now we want to do the opposite. So how do we change this? We're going to click on this little green arrow or the RBTC, and we're going to select Bpro. And now this has swapped. Now we are exchanging Bpro and we are receiving RBTC. This is exactly what we want. So I'm gonna add my total available, and it's gonna instantly calculate how much that is gonna translate into RBTC. Remember, because Bpro is worth more than Bitcoin, you'll always get more Bitcoin out of the same amount of Bpro. So we're giving up 0.005 and we are receiving 0.006. But it is the same amount in dollars, okay? And here with this toggle, we can select if we want to pay with MOC or if we want to pay with RBTC. Now, if you don't have any MOC tokens, then you can just use Bitcoin to pay for the fees. There is a little discount that you get if you pay with MOC, so you actually pay less. That's one of the benefits of having money on chain tokens, MOC tokens. So I'm gonna go ahead and pay my transaction fee with MOC, and we're gonna click redeem. Now we get the little confirmation where it's telling us exactly what we're doing. So we're giving up this amount of Bpro worth $198, and we're getting this amount of RBTC, which is worth the same amount, and the fee is 4.87 MOC tokens. So we're gonna continue, and then we're gonna be prompted to accept the transaction in our wallet. Depending on the wallet you're using, this might look slightly different, but they all work roughly the same way, and all you need to do is to confirm. And now we're gonna have to wait until the blockchain process our transaction. This might vary, it's usually between a minute, maybe a couple more, but it shouldn't be too long. I'm just gonna stop the video right now and skip until the transaction has been completed so we don't waste time. And there you have it, the operation has been successful. So we're gonna close this, and now you're gonna notice that the Bpro amount has decreased to 0. And if we click home, we're gonna see that we have the same amount that we used to have in dollars, but now Bpro is at 0, so it's all turned into RBTC. So that's basically how you do it. It's very simple. Just to recap, on the side menu, we click on Bpro, then we will swap the RBTC for Bpro. We select how much we want. If we want to do everything, we just click add total available. Then we choose if we want to pay the fees with MOC or Bitcoin, and we click redeem. We accept the transaction in our wallet, and that is that. That's one of the beautiful things about the Money on Chain platform, is that you can just mint and redeem almost in a very easy way. You don't have to present personal information, nothing like that. That's why we love these kinds of finance so much. And the last thing I will say is that if there is any questions or anything that I glossed over or that you didn't understand, just leave the question. If you're watching this on YouTube, leave it in the comments. If you're part of the Independent Academy, then by clicking on the newsfeed, you can just post your questions here and I will find them and I will answer them and I will make sure that this content continues to improve. If you haven't visited the Academy yet, I recommend you do so. It's independentacademy.org, and here we are putting all the guides, all the tutorials, and everything you need to use all these platforms effectively, and you can leverage technology to become more independent. All right, thank you. I'll see you in the next one, and let's keep going.